pesos. And then we bought the cement. The cement, we bought 5 bags, so that's like 1,000, like 1,100, something like that. But yeah, what else did we buy? Oh, we bought some other stuff. But we'll see. They said it's gonna be three days. 3 days, so I hope so. They're gonna fix the door frames. Fix the door frames. Right there, they're gonna put the glass. Right there where you see that hole. The gas stove. Yeah. They sent us the wrong one, but I didn't want to go back. I didn't want to go back at the time. I didn't want to go return it because I was gonna spend more money going to the city at the time. We went to the city yesterday to buy color cement. We bought some color cement. That way they're gonna do the floor, and the floor looks. We want the floor. We want the floor to have like a gray. She wants like a dark gray color or something like that. I don't know. My side order is always a surprise, man. Yeah, bro. That's for sure, man. Let me see if I can. We bought these on the side. Well, can't see right now. Right here, we're gonna make this. We're gonna we're gonna put a hose to this and connect it to like going inside the castle. Yeah, man. I I got, I got a feeling it's gonna look good. The good thing is only 3 days. That way we can go ahead and start moving everything. I'm gonna get a sofa bed ordered too. I'm gonna get it made. I ordered once like a budget tablet for my girl on Lazada for 2,000 something. We received an empty box, but Lazada was refunded. Really? Damn. That's crazy, bro. That's never happened to me yet. Tacos and adobo. Saludos. Saludos, man.
Baka kayo. Bilang mo na yung flooring. Flooring nga ni boss. Ay kanina boss ng board pa. Napuman ni flooring si Kalong.
Oh, they look stiff.
Oh, lagi flooring pa man yo. Gusto.
Baby, that's super.
Gusto, bro.
Babe, that's super thick. We're gonna have enough cemento.
Gusto bro. Preso.
Ah, okay, okay.
Ulang pagkuan, patro para masaya ng rural para mahimo sis. Ako lang diha sa karsada preso na. Abuse.
They didn't tacos and adobo. They didn't what do you call it? It wasn't smooth. Yeah, it was done, but it looked. It's not. It wasn't straight, or it wasn't. It wasn't. They're They're gonna put the color. They're gonna put the color on top. Or what? Oh wow.